subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Play series in China called Honor Play 8T, and it is the successor of the Honor Play 7T smartphone that was launched back in March this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Honor Play 8T smartphone. The Honor Play 8T features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor Play 8T sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Magic OS 7.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Hire's audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.7 by 76.5 by 8.24mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 8T has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,099 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Streaming Silver, and Ink Jade Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 8T smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.